Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If this is your first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel where I do makeup and hair. So guys, I'll be using the gel to take my hair back because I have a natural hair. After doing that, I just put on my net cap, my lace cap. After doing that, I use, as you can see, you'll be seeing the way I'm doing it because this is to protect the glue because it is very important I use this net to protect my glue. If not, all my hair, all my front hair will be removed because I don't have hair like that. You can see I don't have hair. After doing that, I just be careful, okay? Use a scissors razor blade to remove the extra net because you are going to be remove the net on your hair, the front of the net. You are going to be removing it. After doing that, I use a glue bag, is a disinfecting spray to gum the net, the light, this because this net is very light. After doing that, I use my face wiper to remove the extra glue, the excess glue on it, and I use the foundation. The what if you are what I'm using there, it is foundation to bring out the my shade, my recolor because I want my frontal to be, I need my hair to be to go with my skin. That is why I love to use the same color of my foundation. After doing that, I use a blue, just the first layer because just the first one I just apply because I apply a lot of glue on it. I did not apply second layer, no, because the glue I applied for the first time, it was enough to go on. After doing that, I had a little spray because I want this wig to last for like 3 days to 4 days because my wig, anytime I fix a lace frontal, I always let it last like 3 days, 4 days, depends, sometimes 2 days, but most of the time I always let it last for 3 days, 4 days, or sometimes 1 week. After doing that, I remove the excess net. This net, you are going to be remove the net on the front. Be careful so that you will not cut your head, you will not cut your skin, and you will not cut the net excess because when you remove the net, you remove a lot of hair. Your net is going to be looking so hard to fix for the next time. It will be looking so hard for you. You have to be careful. After doing that, I use my Meti spray for hair bond. Anything I use from here is hair bond except my glue from my product, and I use the Meti spray to melt it so that my frontal to be melt into my skin. You will not see the difference between my skin and the net. After doing that, I just use the hot comb to brush the front to bring out the style I want. Normally, guys, I only do the side part. This is my first time of the center part. I just want to do it. Let me see if it's going to be good for me, if it's going to be beautiful on my face because I always do my style side part, side part, side part. But today, today I decide to change a look. Sometimes it's very important. This is it, guys. It was so very beautiful. Please, guys, follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love you all. Bye bye. See me on my next video.